Hello, friends. This is Mercedes. You guys, it's been a little while, so I don't really know how to do this right now. But anyway, hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mercedes. I go by That Mom and That Mom Wellness Coach here on the internet. And today I want to share with you guys, because y'all know I love my Soupercubes. I have several videos. If I can find them, I will link them right up here above that shows how much I love my Soupercubes. I have a green, it's like a aqua green color Soupercube, and it is in the half cup size, and I've been wanting, since I got that original one, to purchase another Soupercube, and I was finally able to do that. I'm making my lunch, so I don't know, it's on the stove, guys, sorry. Anyway, I have been wanting to make an order of getting more, and I finally did it. So I got 4 more. This is it is the gift pack set. So it already comes all 4 of these pieces within the gift pack. I got the gift pack set, and I got the tape that's supposed to be freezer safe, and it's supposed to be able to transfer from the containers onto the bags, because all of the tapes, all of the pens, all of the markers that I have tried to use on my reusable bags, I've been using them with like my stashers and my LOs. The writing comes off in the freezer, the tape comes off in the freezer. So this one, this tape, it's just like another packing tape, but it's on the Soupercube website, and they say that it works with their products, and even on their website they show it from taking it off the Soupercube itself and putting it right onto the bag. So I'm really looking forward to trying it, seeing how well it works. If not, I'm just gonna try more pens. Okay, I'm just gonna try more markers and stuff. But anyway, other than this tape that I got, I have 4 new Soupercubes. So I got this in the kale green. I can tell apart what Soupercube I've had the longest, because I got the same size one. Okay, but anyway, I wanted to tell which one I got, you know, which ones are which, what I could tell from, you know, how long they last and everything. I feel like this set is probably going to be the last set I buy, unless I want to do, there's a set that comes with some ramekins, and these are freezer safe. These are totally freezer safe, totally oven safe and everything. Their website shows you actually even going from freezer to oven after it's thawed. Don't get me wrong there, guys. But anyway, it shows that they're multi-versatile, multifunctionate. You can store them in the freezer, you can store them wherever. So let's go through the ones we got today. So this one that I've been holding, this one is, they have a mark on the inside. So this one is 1 cup freezing trays. I'm reading my little thing that came on this. So anyway, this is the 1 cup freezing tray. Let me turn down my lunch. That's fine. Okay. Anyway, 1 cup freezing tray, and there's 4 cubes on this 1 cup tray, and it comes with a lid. You can buy lid replacements on the Soupercube website in case your lid has a crack or something in it. My other one is about 4 years old, and I still have my original lid and everything, and it is perfect. So use that what you will. But anyway, I've got a lid for each of the containers. By the way, this is marketed as like an 8-piece set, because the lid and the base are 2 pieces, 1, 2. But anyway, inside here, it's just like the normal Soupercube that I had. It's got all the markings in here. So you have 250 milliliter, 1 cup. So it's got milliliters on one side and cups on the other side. So this one, again, is the 1 cup tray, which I'm super excited for. This one is the half cup tray. Yep, half cup freezing tray, and this is like the one that we have. This is going to be the second 1 cup freezing tray. You guys know I love to do my tomato pastes and everything in here. And what I'm thinking is tomato paste in this size, tomato sauce in this size, or I have a bigger size too. But anyway, you guys know I love doing my tomato paste in this size. I love doing rice in this size. Everything. This is so good. Like, I was on the Soupercube train before Lego lunches, guys. Yes, I've been on. Like I said, I have my original Soupercube for about 4 years now, and I love it. We use it every single week. We use it multiple times a week. Sometimes we use it, freeze it, 6 hours later, go put it into a bag, and use it again the same day. Love the Soupercubes. Okay. This one, this is the Big Mac Daddy one. Yeah, this is a 2 cup. I am so excited for this one. This is, yep, it's a 2 cup. It's big, and this one is like, we could do the spaghetti sauce in here, we could do chili in here. This one is really like a really good serving size. You could do, I've seen Simply Sarah Hart. Oh my gosh, I love following her. She took like a Chipotle meal and she put like a tortilla down and like the rice and beans on one side, and then the other side she put like another tortilla down, and then like the meat and like the cheese and stuff on the other side, so that when she popped it out, they weren't A, too big to like fit in a container together, and B, they froze more evenly within the thing. And I think that's such an amazing idea. You can also, like I said, put these in the oven. So imagine this with like little casseroles. Wonderful, right? Little meal prepping casseroles. I love my tuna noodle, guys. You guys know I love my tuna noodle. I would totally meal prep tuna noodle in this size. I would totally make it in the oven and then let it cool down and everything, and freeze it again in this size. Pop them out and they're ready for work. And then this little one that is adorable, right? Okay, so this one is 2 tablespoon or 1 ounce freezing trays. And again, they also have all the markings in them. I love it. It's wonderful. These ones I've seen brownie bites made in. I've seen specialty butters made in. I am also getting to the area where I want to, here's my sourdough starter. I want to start to freeze some of my sourdough starter. Either freeze or dehydrate some of my sourdough starter. So this I also thought was going to be really good for my sourdough starter. So hear me out, guys. Hear me out. Oh, and it also says right on the top of this one, it says 2 tablespoons. Love it. Okay. Anyway, hear me out. So what I was going to do with my bread and everything, and now that I definitely have these, Emmy Lucas, she did banana bread in this size mold, and so I thought also to do like some sourdough bread bowls in like this mold and everything. I could do little breads in this one. I think actually she did the little breads in this size and not that littler size. So anyway, yeah, little breads in this. Awesome, amazing. Let's do it, right? The possibilities are endless, friends, and I'm so excited to have them. I'm so excited to share them with you. Like I said, I've been on the Soupercube train for about 4 years. So I was here before Lego lunches. Simply Sarah Hart does Lego lunches. Life by Mike G, he also has been showing Lego lunches a lot on his feed and everything, and he actually did work with Sarah on a video, so I'm definitely going to try that recipe. I think it was a chili recipe that they did together, so I'm definitely going to try that. Like I said, Emmy Lucas has a video where she does it, and actually, while I was making my lunch, and why I even thought about doing this right now, is that Shell Bizzle has also done a video about them. And like I said, I have several videos, and I'm pretty sure Emma also, the Simple Environmentalist. I'm really sure that Emma has also done stuff on Soupercubes, because I do believe that they are very RV friendly and everything. So anyway, I'm so excited to share with you guys, and I'm so excited to bring you more of that content in the future, and I'm trying to get back into the swing of content. I have a script I'm working on right now for a video that will hopefully go live here within a few days. I got a backup drive for all my video stuff on my computer because I was having a lot of issues with my drive. I'm looking, I would like you guys to put it in the comments, a wonderful editor, because I was using ClipChamp and now I'm using CapCut. I know a good editor costs money. So leave it in the comments below. Do you go with Adobe? Do you go with, what do you go with, guys? Let me know in the comments what's the best editor for me right now. You guys know I have 184 subscribers, and yeah, so we're operating little, but we are trying to make big impacts, guys. So anyway, please let me know your editing software recommendations in the comments below. Stick around for some more Soupercube content, and yeah, do your best, advocate for the rest, as Shelby says. You cannot do all the good the world needs, but the world needs all the good you can do. Also, what Shelby says, and Emma also says it too. But for me, what I say is just try. Just try. You know, you didn't get anywhere without trying, so just try, and we'll all be in a better place for it. We are taking the lead, and we are showing the world what we want, and that is more sustainable stuff, more time with the world. So